How's it going, Soul Fam? My name's Emily. Today I have for you a quick 5-minute everyday yoga stretch. So this is great if you're short on time today, or maybe you've woken up feeling a bit stiff in the body. These are great little stretches to do to just help open up the whole body. So when you're ready, come join me on the mat and we'll begin in a tabletop. So we're on our hands and knees here. The hands are shoulder width apart and the knees are hip width. And we'll move through some yummy rounds of cat-cows. So on our inhale from the sacrum, we can draw the belly down to the mat, lift the chest and chin up. Exhaling, pull the belly in, round the spine, bring the chin to the chest. Inhale, belly draws down, lift the chest and chin up. Exhaling, rounding the spine. Inhale, lift. Exhaling, rounding. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale. Lifting the chest and chin. Exhaling, rounding. Inhale. Come back to your neutral tabletop. Walk the hands forwards 1 pace, tuck the toes under and lift the hips up to a downward facing dog. And we can paddle the feet here, stretch out the legs. A nice full body stretch here. We have a little micro bend in the elbows. Shoulders are gently pulling down the back away from the ears. Belly pulls in. The tailbone is reaching high. And we're lengthening those heels down to the mats. On your next exhale, gently bring the knees back down to the mat. Untuck the toes. And we'll walk the hands to the top of the mat. Keep the hips in line with the knees here. And as we exhale, melt the chest down, bringing the forehead to rest on your mats, coming into a puppy pose or anahata. And we can use our exhales to melt the chest down to the mat here. If we begin to smush the face into the mat, maybe we can bring the chin to rest on our mats instead. And wherever we are in our puppy pose, nice, slow, deep breaths. One more breath. On your next inhale, slowly peeling the chest up off the mat and walking those hands back in until we come to sit up on the heels. We can then bring the hips to one side and the legs round in front. Bending the left knee will bring the sole of the foot to your inner right thigh and just simply exhaling, folding over the right leg. We can hold on to the edges of the feet, ankle or shins here. And we can round in the spine, drop the head down towards the knee for Janusasana or head to knee pose. Again, gently pulling the shoulders away from the ears. We can have a bend in that right knee. One more breath. Inhale, we can lift the head. Exhale, we can gently release. Lengthen that left leg down to the mat. Bend the right knee, bring the sole of the foot to your inner left thigh. Sit nice and tall. Exhale, folding over the left leg. Holding on to the edges of the foot, ankle or shin again. Dropping the head down towards the knee. One more breath. On your next inhale, lifting the head. Exhaling gently, releasing. We can then just bring the legs together. We can cross the legs, maybe stack one in front of the other. And we'll just finish with a little twist. So we can inhale, twist to the right, bring the left hand to the right knee. And we can just gaze to the side of the room here. We don't need to be looking back behind the shoulder. Or we can close the eyes if that feels nice. One more breath. Exhale, gently come back to your center. Inhale, twisting the opposite way. One more breath. Exhale. We can gently come back to our center. And there we go. We have our quick little everyday yoga stretch there. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed that quick little flow. If you did, please like the video, maybe save for later to come back time and time again. Maybe leave me a comment below and subscribe to my channel for more free yoga content. Thanks again for joining me. I hope to see you next time. Namaste.